In this example, we are asked to solve for x. So I'm going to start over here on the left side of the equation. And I know it's very tempting to want to do the 12 minus 3 right away because it's right there and you see it first thing. But I want you to really look at this negative 3. This negative 3 is right up against these parentheses, which is showing multiplication. And if you think about your order of operations, multiplication has to be done before any addition or subtraction. So we have to do the multiplication of this negative 3 as distribution before we can handle anything with this 12. So the negative 3 times 2x will give us negative 6x, and the negative 3 times negative 4 will give us a positive 12. I can then bring down the 12 from the front, and it equals negative 12 on the right. Next, we want to go ahead and combine any like terms. So I do have this 12 that was out here at the front before, and it is a constant. It does not have a variable. Then I have a term with a variable, and then another constant. Obviously, the two constants can be combined. This negative 6x, however, has a variable and cannot be combined with the 12s. So 12 plus 12 will give us a positive 24. I can then bring down the negative 6x, and the equals negative 12. Now that we're all done with the simplifying, we've done the distribution and the combining like terms, we can go ahead and solve this. And we want to start to solve it by inversing the constant on the side with the variable. The constant here is the positive 24. It is a positive, so we can inverse it with a negative. So we're going to subtract 24 from both sides. That will cancel out the constant and leave us with negative 6x equals negative 36. Last but not least, we can inverse the coefficient. The coefficient here is negative 6, and it is multiplying on the variable. We can then use the opposite, which is to divide with that division bar, and we're going to divide by that coefficient of negative 6. That will cancel out the coefficient and leave us with just x equals a positive 6.